Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily and automatically assign roles on your Discord servers. Let's begin. First, open Discord, make sure to log into your correct accounts and select your server, and then click your server name over here to reveal more options. Go to server settings and then click on the roles section over here. Now you need to create a new role so we can make this effective. Click on it. Then you can assign a name for this. For example, auto bot or auto rule. Okay. Then you can choose to select any colors. I'm going to choose green and then choose any image if you would like to. It's completely optional. Then you can go to permissions and make sure these are selected as the way you want them to be. Okay. So once done, you can now click Save Changes, and then you can now minimize Discord. Go ahead and open your browser. I'm going to click on this, and then just type carl.gg, hit enter, log in with your Discord account. It will just open up and make sure that you will authorize everything. Click on it, click on authorize, click on close, and everything should now be connected. So over here, go back to your browser, select your server, and then go back to your Discord, select the appropriate server. All right. Click on continue and make sure everything is checked on this section. And then authorize, and then just verify that you are a human. And once done, it will show me here that CarlBot has been successfully added to your Discord server. You can minimize this as you can see in the CarlBot browser. You can just click on skip, and then this is what it looks like to the home page. You can now minimize this, go back to your Discord server, and just to double check everything is good to go to your server settings. Okay, go to roles, and then make sure this CarlBot is actually at the top of the auto role or the role that you just created. And then hit changes, manage the role again, make sure all permissions is the way as you want them to be. All right. And then make sure to click on save changes. Then you can go back to your browser, go to auto roles, and then click on your specific role that you just made, and then click on save. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily get this done and assign roles in your Discords automatically. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.